Hello everyone, this is question number 5. These questions belong from research methodology. Two statements has been given in this question, statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1 states that non-probability samples use available respondents and no specific selection procedure is followed. Statement 2 states that it is a fact that non-probability samples accurately reflect the population characteristics. So as you can observe that in both the statement, one term is very common, which is non-probability samples. When we are taking the samples in our research, there are two kinds of samples. One is probability, another one is non-probability. So they are asking about the non-probability sample, and we have to identify whether these two statements are true or false. One is true, another is false, and vice versa. So in the light of the above statement, we have to choose the correct options, which is given below. So what is the probability sampling here? So probability samplings, you randomly select the participants for your research from the population, with every participant having an equal chance of being selected. I'm talking about here probability sampling, where every participant in the population having the equal probability of selecting. Whereas in non-probability sampling, you choose non-random criteria upon which to base your sampling choices from a larger population. In short, in probability, everyone having the equal probability of selecting from the population, whereas in non-probability sampling, everyone having not the equal probability of selection. So what are the various types in non-probability sampling has been shown in this picture. One type is convenience sampling. Which one is the nearest population? We have to reach that and take those as the sample here. Next is purposive sampling, where we are choose on the basis of our purpose. We need one type of people from the population, we select those people in our research. Next one is the quota sampling. We divide the population in various quota, and on the basis of these quota we take few members from each quota in our quota sampling. Whereas in snowball sampling, we are taking the population over as a whole and take the everyone's with the on the basis of various parameters, like take one from the each area and so on. So non-probability sampling is here, where everyone is not having the equal probability. Whereas in statement 1, which states that no specific selection procedure is followed, yes, there is no specific selection procedure is followed in terms of non-probability sampling. It is a fact that non-probability sampling accurately reflects the population characteristics. No, they are not dealing with the population characteristics. They are not, because in the convenience sampling, as you can see here, the observer or researcher is not take the characteristics of the each population sample. He just take on the basis of convenience from the part of the population he just took, because it's on the basis of the convenience over here. So statement 1 seems to be true, whereas statement 2 seems to be false. So the correct option for this question will be option number 3rd, where statement 1 is true and 2 is false.